Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to do a review on Essential Hydraulics wire crimping tool. It was purchased from Harbor Freight, red box, 8-ton, as you can see. I'm going to do test one on it. Those of you who think they're going to fall off, I don't think I ain't coming off. Sorry. Anyway, I'm going to crimp one up for you and show you how easy it is. It's going to be kind of hard to do this with this camera. Get it set up right. Oh, we've got to get a connector. First off, I'm using Blackstone, pure copper. One on. As you can see, the motherfucker is not going anywhere out of place. Alright. Sure makes wiring batteries together easy. For those of you wanting updates, that is the amp 2610. A whole screw load of 1/0. The top panel. There's the box. That's the battery box step for that. Goes behind the seat. Just letting some glue dry right now. Gonna use two 6-inch arrows. Yeah, out in the middle of motherfucking nowhere. That's where I live. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Y'all have a good